Ulat Kajala UCH Vijaya Shankar mentakasni kalai tarik nailur ahjar pisau. Ulayu kejat halau kentang kahima mau plang ringkat ke jingsen lang UCM ke KHADC uba penyat sing CM ulingdo kahima uba CA lingdo KEM bat ki menteri kahima. Ulat ula jengok ru ke Khasi Heritage Village kabapet ke KHADC baju penong ke tamasa mau benar ke badan hasenda kalau kentang. Hakabade bak kalau kentang ulat ulayo ke jing pensha bat ke jing batai na kinong yalam syapo lau kentang ki jat ding kiso kisentiu bat kiwei. Hakajinya lenti ke bakat tu kat ni ulat ula penpau ke jing start ki riulum ban penne bat yada ya kamariang. Ula kendu ru ki brio ke bawan yat bat pet kai ya kalau kentang.
So inside we also have some of the flora and the fauna which are here. So entirely we have more holy place which we would be conducting this ritual. Okay, we have been preserving this forest for the last 600 to 800 years. But example, we have one of the dominated species of tree which we have here, which are the oak species. Okay. There's oak species are one of the species of tree which is also surviving in places which is as dense. Now
from here, I mean, we get from the different forests. We like to give some also.
Nothing wrong, you know.
But from here, we don't take anything. But
it should not
we
be
take from
issue.
the different forests.
Okay. Ah, yes, thank you.